Do you want to make cinematic videos like this, but you can't pay for VEO3? Today, I'm sharing the best free alternatives to VEO3 so you can create or generate video content without paying for VEO3 platform. And stick until the end of the video because I will show you the platform that I used to generate the video that you saw at the start of this video, and I will show you how to use it. First, let's start with Runway and the free tier. It's best for creators who want powerful AI video tools. Runway lets you generate videos from text or images, add motion effects, and even edit frame by frame, a strong creative alternative to VEO's AI video features. Next, we have Novi AI. It's a free option for quick AI video creation. Novi AI generates videos from text or images and includes multiple styles, voiceover options, and sound effects, all without needing advanced editing skills. Now, for the one that I like the most, Pika Labs. Super beginner friendly text-to-video creator. Pika Labs operates mainly through Discord prompts, but now they have just dropped a web version. So you can just go to their website, ask the AI with a prompt to make you a video, and then just send it. And the AI will automatically start making your video from scratch. In my opinion, Pika AI is best for AI video creation and creative tools. In short, if you want AI video creation like VEO3, try Runway, Novi AI, or my best pick is Pika Labs. All offer free tiers or easy access. If you just need footage without AI tracking, using your own camera setup is the zero cost method. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.